Hello everyone! Today, we're going to explore how to use part transformations to make toolpath creation faster and more efficient. In this example, I've already created the contour and roughing processes for the part. Once these are in place, we move on to applying part transformation by selecting the rectangle array option. Here, we define the required number of rows and columns and enter the appropriate values. After setting these parameters, we calculate the process, and the system automatically generates the transformed toolpaths for all instances. Next, we select the pocketing contour and define the necessary heights for the operation. Once that is done, we apply the same transformation used earlier, ensuring consistency across the processes. Finally, we proceed with the profiling process, where you can clearly see how part transformation simplifies the workflow by quickly replicating the toolpath without recreating it from scratch, and ensures uniform machining across multiple parts. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, tips, and the latest software updates.